What's up, survivalists? Jason here. Today I'm going to show you the 10 C's of survivability. Let's go right in. First C, container. You have the stainless steel bottle, stainless steel cup, or go as simple as a Ziploc bag. But if you go with the Ziploc bag, you won't have the ability to boil water. Next, coverage. I have this 6x8 tarp. Just protect against rain, wind, and just to get you out of the sun. Also with the tarp, you would also need some tent pegs to secure it to the ground so it won't fly off when you attach it to some paracord. Next coverage, got some hooded poncho and an emergency space blanket. It'll keep you warm, keep you out of the rain. Next, cutting tool. I got this Bear Grylls Scout knife. It's pretty good with batoning small pieces of wood. You could carve out with it. You could self-defense with it, or just a basic knife, just like cut cordage with it, you know. Next, if you want to go cheap, just have an Ozark trail knife. It's not as good as that knife, but you can carve with it. It's not as good for batoning. It'll probably break because it's cheap metal, most likely. And it's probably not the best knife, but better than nothing. Next, if you want multiple uses out of it, you just have a multi-tool with a small knife and other tools in it. Next, you could actually have just a small pocket knife. This is for just carving out pieces of wood, make some shredded pieces of wood so you can start the fire easier. Basically make wood chips. Next, cordage. You can either have spool paracord bracelet, or just some fishing line. Next, combustion. You could either have a pill bottle full of matches, this container with matches, or just have some lighter. But what I recommend is a magnesium flint bar. This will give you many more fires than just some matches. And plus, it comes with magnesium, so it's much faster to start. But also, what I like to do with my matches is to carry some cotton, just to start up the fire easier. And plus, with the cotton, it's much easier to start a fire with the magnesium flint bar. Next, compass. You gotta have the map compass, which is easy to navigate, or just have some multiple use compass whistle. This, you could find your direction with it, signal with it, and start a fire with it. Next, cotton bandana. These have multiple uses. You signal with it, filter water with it, have a bandage, or you just cut some pieces, shred it, use it for tinder if needed. Or you can make charred cloth out of it as well. Next, candling device. This will help you see in the dark. Watch out for that hole that you might fall in. Also, if you wanted to, you just carry a candle. This could help you also with fire making. You just light it, you just always have a fire, so it gives you some warmth as well. Next, cloth needle. You could sew with it, sew your pants, sew your clothes, sew yourself up. Plus, you don't need to have any string or anything like that, or sewing string, because you might as well just have fishing line instead. It does the same purpose. Lastly, cardboard tape or duct tape. I wouldn't recommend carry this whole honking thing. Just spool it up on itself. This will give you at least, if you go this size, get at least 3 feet of duct tape. There's just plenty of uses for duct tape. You could make a bandage out of it. You could repair tarps with it. You could repair clothes with it. You could repair almost anything with it. And also, it's flammable. Well, that seems to be it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next one.